Pachipamwe, Moroi, and welcome back to Speak Shona. I'm Tsitsi, and today we're going to be learning how to use the pronouns we learned last episode to make simple sentences. Let's get started. You want to say something simple like, I eat. I is ini and ndi. So I eat is ini ndinodya. You're using both? Yes. We use both the pronoun and the pronoun prefix ndi always together. That's just how it works. I can drop my pronoun ini, but I can never drop my pronoun prefix ndi. Ndinodya is the same as ini ndinodya. It means the exact same thing. I eat. Ndinodya. Ndinodya. So you're asking, ndi, that's me, the prefix. No is the present tense marker. We're making simple sentences in the present, so we need to know when we're making them. So we use the little no to mark the present and tell us when stuff is happening. Ndino means I am doing something right now. Dga is the verb eat. Ndinodya. Ndinodya, I eat. I eat. Ini ndinodya. How about you eat? What do you think that will be? Substitute the pronoun for you. Yes. You eat would be iwe unodya. Iwe unodya. Or simply unodya. How about she eats? Yeah. Iye anodya. Iye anodya. Or simply anodya. How about they eat? Ivo vanodya. Ivo vanodya. How about we eat? Isu tinodya. Isu tinodya. Or simply tinodya. So now we know how to make simple sentences in the present tense. We take our pronoun or just the pronoun prefix. We add the little present tense marker, no, and then our verb at the end. So if I tell you famba means walk, how do you say I walk? Ndinofamba. Ndinofamba. If I tell you go is enda, how do you say she goes? Anoenda. Anoenda. Well done. Don't forget to visit speakshona.com in order to get the transcripts for these podcasts. And I'll see you in the next episode. Tonana.